Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language in laptop Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to change language in your laptop, you just need to hit right click on the start button, then go to settings. Here click on time and language, and now here you will see the option for language and region. So we have to open it up, and here you will see the option for Windows display language, which we can change from here. So before that we need to add a language first, so just click on add a language, and right here you will see all the languages. So whatever you want to add or whichever you want to select, you can just choose that. So let me type my language name. You can just search it as well here. So I'm going to type my language name which I want to choose. So this is the language which I want to use, so I'm just going to click on the language, then hit on next. So what it will do, it will just download it into your PC, and with the language you will get the extra features as well, like text to speech, handwriting. So I want to download them as well, so I'm just going to select them. But in the language preferences, don't check this box and leave it as it is, and just click on install. Now you can see the downloading process of language pack is started, so it will take some minutes depending on your internet speed. And once your download is done, just go to the option window display language and click on this option, and here you will see the language which we have installed. So just click on the language, then you will get the pop-up sign out. So we just need to click on sign out, and as soon as you click there, you will see that your PC is signing out. And once your PC starts, you will see that the language has changed. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can change language on laptop in Windows 11. Now if I was a big help, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.